Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about Coursera Low Review. So it's a position itself is an online learning platform focused on teaching AI tools and freelancing skills, right? And it's help you to land gigs on Upwork and freelance and claiming up to earn up to $250 per day using AI generated content. This is not exactly true because AI has not gone too far in just content creation. Still, there's a left so many things to happen, so many developments to be happen, but I'm just saying this from as a creator perspective. But of course I can show you why this is not legit. First of all, now let me show you. Now this is here cursive and they have got around 4.4 and the reviews are pretty good, right? The beginner guide to AI is a breath of fresh air. That's nice, right? That's pretty nice. And same thing here, they has got around 91% reviews. That is really nice. And they are in different language. I think it's from, of course it's Spanish and more English too, so of course they are from all over the world. Same way here on the Trustpilot, they have pretty good reviews. But one review which I found, which is not, I didn't like it, and this is a very important thing. So I cannot say that this is a scam or something. Of course they're providing you the good thing, but here, right, promise versus reality, just read this data, each and everything. Because the problem is, if you find that not every user get what they promise. I nearly signed up for this but read this review first, did not sign in this platform. Content is poor, I think what he means, not detailed, and they will try to scam you. So that's a thing. And here you can see user complaint and basic information. So it's completely up to you that you want to go for this. And of course you make sure, if you are still want to go, make sure you trust the who are really good in this field, right? And thanks for watching this review. I hope you found this very helpful. Subscribe.